Hello and welcome to the Tandem Trail. In today's episode, we don't drive, we don't hike, we just fly. No ground footage, no tire tracks. It's just our drone and a view worth sharing with you all. Tanya and I want to show you a spot that is kind of a secret. No one knows it. It's just us, Tanya and me, and about 500,000 people from the city below. It is right at the edge of their gear shifters. They're so easy to get to here, guys. It's only 8 or 9 miles from the edge of Colorado Springs. It is tucked into a very nice turn on Ostage Road. There is a place where the mountain, opens up and you can see how the prairie begins from the city below. Roger, our Lexus LX470 and Freddie, our Land Cruiser 250 are parked. The drone is up and let's take a look what we want to show you. The drone moves north, tracing the edge of the overlook. Below, our 2 rigs are parked. They're quiet, still, and they're part of the landscape now. To the east, the land falls away. You can see how the mountain skirts down into curled ridges and plated slopes, folding towards the city, then flattering into prairie. Love the view from here. Tiny pieces of the road appear, winding like a ribbon through it all. You can see it a little to the right here. They cut into the hillside, a line between elevation and sprawl, and that's how we get to this fantastic place. And to the west, the mountain climbs. You can feel it in the frame, the slope rising, the trees thickening, the trail leading up towards Pikes Peak. Pikes Peak, that's the trail that goes there. This is where the front range breathes, and where the road, the rigs, and the ridge line all hold still just for a moment, and we're in awe. What a gift of beauty and majesty Mother Nature gave us. This is the part of Ostage Road you only understand from above. The switchbacks, the stone formations, the prairie beyond the ridges, and the city below stretching towards the horizon. Roger and Freddie park side by side, our 2 trusted trail rigs, one fantastic experience, and a shared view for us all. We flew 6 passes today, each one kind of revealed something different: the city and the valley below, the mountain behind, the way the road curls like a ribbon through both. You could definitely drive here in your mom's Prius, but you'll feel it more deeply in a tad more serious rig, like our Lexus LX470 or the Land Cruiser 250, the Global Prado. That's it, we love it. We travel, test, and explore with joy. And we film for you. We hope you like it. Thanks for flying over Ostage Road with us, Tanya, Roger, Freddie, me, and our trusty little tiny drone. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment, and see you on the next episode.